Hello, hello, Moto Maniacs. Check out my new exhaust. Ooh, this exhaust sounds really good. I like it. Gotta take it slow because the tires are still cold and the sun is in my face. I'm telling you, back roads riding is the best riding. And of course, the big castles too. Jesus Christ. That's a house. Always gotta watch for the damn speed cameras in Maryland. Hate them. Going fast in turns with this bike, it feels really stable. Cars are going so slow. All those things on the top of the water you see, they're just the bottom. This is Potomac River. Jeez. Really low. Woo! Sounds so good at night. The neighbor is going to hate me. Who cares? They're just neighbors. They can move. That's all, folks.